Hello everybody, on today's lecture series we are going to look at how we can secure remote access. So we are going to look at how we can verify the switch support secure shell. So to enable the switch secure shell on a Catalyst 2960 switch, the switch must be using a version of what? An iOS software, including the cryptographic encrypted features and capabilities. So we are going to use the show version command on the switch to see which iOS the switch is currently running. On iOS file name, that includes the combination of K9 supports cryptographic, that is also encrypted features and capabilities. So the example here shows the output of the show version command. So we can see here that switch 1 show version is going to show us what? The Cisco iOS software and what? Its C2960 software and its name. So on secure remote access, how do we configure the secure shell? So there are about 6 steps that we have to follow. So before configuring the secure shell, the switch must be minimally configured with a unique host name and the correct network connectivity settings. So step number 1, how do we verify? You verify the secure shell support by the use of the show IP SSH command to verify that the switch support secure shell is being supported. If the switch is not running an iOS that support cryptographic features, this command is unrecognized. So if it doesn't use the cryptographic features, the switch command is unrecognized. Step number 2, configure the IP domain. So how do we configure the IP domain? We configure the IP domain name of the network using the IP domain name or domain name global configuration mode command. Step number 3, which is you have to generate the RSA key pairs. How do you do that? By generating an RSA key pair automatically, it enables the secure shell. Use the crypto key generate RS global configuration mode command to enable the secure shell server on the switch, which it will generate the RSA key pair. You also have to note to delete the RSA key pair, use the crypto 00s RS global configuration mode command after the RSA key pair is deleted. So the secure shell server is automatically disabled. So that's how we do. On step number 4, you configure user authentication. So the secure shell server can authenticate user locally or using what authentication server. So to use the local authentication method, you have to create the username and the password pair using the username and the username secret password global configuration mode command. Step number 5, you have to configure the VTY line. So enable the secure shell protocol on the VTY line by using the transport input secure shell line configuration mode command. So we are going to use the what? The line or the VTY global configuration command and then log in the local what? Configuration mode command to require the local what? Authentication for the secure shell connection. So from the local user name database. Don't forget about the database. So step number 6, which is the last step. So how do you enable the secure shell version number 2? So by default, secure shell support both version 1 and 2. You have to know that the secure shell supports both version 1 and 2. When supporting both versions, this is shown in the IP secure shell output and what the supporting version 2. So it will enable the secure shell version 2 using the IP secure shell version 2 global configuration command. Secure shell remote access. So we're going to look at that later. As for today, we'll end here. The main thing that we needed to know about the steps for configuring the secure shell that are involved and how we can verify the switch supports secure